Alright, let's just play. Stop recording.
Oh, now it's recording.
Oh, you fucking give me this. Peachy! Peachy, doggy! Doggy, love me! No, I don't. Peachy don't like you. Peachy, love me. This is Peachy's voice. I don't like you, Crystal. Stop petting me. Okay, fine. Millie, love me. Just pet me, please. Pet me. Belly rub. Millie's pathetic. She's so cute. He just left.
Fine. Who needs her anyway?
Why am I still recording?
I don't know.
Real people watch Harry Potter. Just so you know.
Yeah.
Not nerds, real people. So bye. Say bye. OMG. Okay, I gotta go. Oh wait! Oh my god, you
Your mom
missed
is
it.
calling Millie. Should I let her go?
Yes, Millie, go to mommy.
She is a mommy.
Millie, you gotta go potty.
I love you, Millie. Yeah, she better go potty. Here she goes.
Ah!
Oh my god. Oh. Come on, Millie. You go, girl. I'll put you down. Oh, Peaches is here. Oh my. Oh, now she's following Millie.
Okay, now I'm done.
They're gone.
Hello. I love you. I love you. Good girl. Go to sleep. I know, it's hot. You're never comfy, are you? No.
Help me!
If Griselle doesn't solve this, she will kill everybody in South Park.
That's stupid.
2 seconds.
Here, wait. No.
You're killing everybody. How do you feel?
Whoops.
Yeah, you definitely killed people.
Oh, it's my turn.
Oh, I hate Wait, I want to be.
Steeler has the end.
It's kind of.
She said that someone would take a purple 5. It's gotta be purple or else no song.
Get a marker.
Oh, I forgot. I don't have experience with it.
That's not cool. Here. Why don't you buy the song yourself?
How do you say to come to?
What do you mean?
To come to.
I only want a purple 5.
You're a free hormone. I don't even like it. I don't know. Oh. That was question. D-E-B-E-N-D-E. Wait.
Do you know what that means?
Yeah.
Wait, where's the...
You're a novice already?
No.
No, like, you misspelled juvenile. You misspelled pre-juvenile. I know, I did the same thing. I copied it all down already. My speed.
Is that Ray?
Yeah.
Hi. Say something to Sarah. Hi. I saw her yesterday. What? 5 minutes ago?
It's still going.
Hi.
I didn't remember. I took that class. shot.
Red! That's so funny.
She's a loser.
Can we make video now?
Look at my face, honey.